Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows Store error 0xD000000D. So friends, you are facing this type error. So there is some easy solution to fix this one. Firstly, friends, click on Start and click on Settings. Now click on Update and Security. Now click on Troubleshoot. Here you will find some options. Scroll down and click on Windows Store Apps. Troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly. So click on it and click on Run the troubleshooter. Now wait for a while till the detect some problems. If you find any problem, so select it and wait for a while and follow the instruction what troubleshoot show you. Like in my case, it says you can reset apps that aren't working directly from apps and features. Open apps and features, select the app that's not working, tap or click advanced option, then reset. So I will click on next. It will solve some type of problems. And friends, still you are facing some problems using troubleshoot. So you should try second method. Close it and click on Start Search and type here WSRESET, this one. So click on WS reset run command. So friends, wait for a while. This command will automatically open Microsoft Stores on your Windows PC and it will fix some type of errors like this. And friends, still you are facing any error. So third and last method you should try. Click on Start, again click on Settings. Now click on Update and Security and check for updates. So if you have some updates, so install updates. Hopefully by using these three methods, error will be fixed. And please comment this video is work for you or not. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.